guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really fun video. I'm going to be organizing my gigantic stamp collection because recently I just got a few boxes full of stamps and I really wanted to go through it for you guys on camera to show you guys what I got out of it. And I think that this is a really fun video, so make sure that you stick around to the end. If you guys are new here, make sure that you subscribe down below, and while you're down there, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below what other videos you want to see, and I have some really fun videos coming up. Let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing that I did was went through a few of the boxes that I had gotten at garage sales and that people had given to me. Now I had a lot of random stamps that I really just didn't like, so I went through. I had two different piles of things that I had found, including some stamp pads, which were always great, so I took those. There are also some sayings, things like that, that you will see towards the end of the video that I had organized into categories. Now I'm just going to be going through all of my boxes. I have a keep pile, which is noticeably smaller than my giveaway pile, but I found some really cool stamps in this gigantic mess of stamps, and I really think that I could get some use out of them by using them in my bullet journal videos in the future. Now, if you guys want to watch those, there will be a link up in the eye. If you guys didn't see my April bullet journal with me, make sure to go check that out. It will be linked in the eye in the corner and also down below, so make sure you check that out. Now let's just keep going with organizing my different bags of stamps. I found some really cool ones that I probably wouldn't have found at Michael's, so I was really happy with the ones that I did find in this collection. Now we're going through the second bag. This one I had for a while, but I hadn't gone through it yet, so these had more Christmassy things and things like that I had gotten around the holidays. As you can see, there's a lot of different random things in this bag, but there's definitely some that were really cute that I had kept. And now here are the two boxes that I ended up with. One of them I kept and one of them I'm going to give away. Now I think that this is about it for the organizing part. Now let's sort it into different categories. This is probably one of my favorite parts, so make sure that you guys keep watching.
I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365. Might have to be where I feel your sunshine. 1 to 2 step, 3 step 4. She's everywhere out on the dance floor. She's everything you could ever want and more.
Okay, you guys, all of my stamps have been sorted into different categories, and I think that this was really efficient for me to organize these. Now I'm going to show you guys all of the different categories that I had created and all of the stamps. I have to say I have about 100 stamps that I had salvaged from my two boxes, which is pretty good, plus I have some more that I didn't include in this video. So now you guys know how gigantic my stamp collection was, especially before I went through all of the stamps that I had. I'm just going to let you guys watch this. I'm not going to do much talking in this part because I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory, and I really just want to show you guys all the stamps that I had found. They're all super cute, so make sure that you leave down below which one is your favorite. Mine is definitely the spring-themed one or animal-themed stamps. So now just enjoy all of the categories that I have created. Okay guys, now the big question is, could I fit all of these into this small box that only half of them came into? Now I spent a while trying to make them all fit as perfectly as possible because I really didn't want to have a bin. I just really wanted to have a small box that I could keep them all in and store wherever I needed to, so that I was kind of out of the way. And I feel like it was kind of a success. It definitely took me a while, but in the end I got there. I started off by just doing all of my big stamps on the bottom and then went up from there just to make sure that the lid would also fit on the box. Also, having 2 layers would really help so that I could just take the top layer off and I would be able to see all of the stamps under it too. I felt like that was just going to be really helpful, especially if I wanted to find a specific one to use in my bullet journal videos or just in my bullet journal in the future. Also, did you guys see that I found a bubble one, which is perfect for my April playing with me? And again, if you guys want to see it, it's up in the eye. So go check it out if you guys want to. But I feel like this was actually very successful. I'm really happy that I had gone through all of my stamps and showed it to you guys as well.
She said 9 to 5, I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365 might have to be where I feel your signs.
And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe right here on the screen. If you guys have more video ideas, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next week for another awesome video. Bye!